over subway tracks, portraits in the council hall, rest on the gate where they marched last fall. I walk the roads in my sneakers, ghost names on the tenement doors, dust coats of forgotten plague, history hums in the traffic's backbeat. I feel it under my jacket. These are my silent shouts in urban forests, breathing through concrete, reaching for sky. All of their stories sewn into mine now. Peace in my heart while the sirens cry. Peace in my heart while the sirens cry. Peace in my heart while the sirens cry. Oh, flag threads in the market stall, grandma's scarf from another war. She says, dream big but remember the small. I carry both like a prayer. Red brick midnight bus stop light, plan scribbled on a crumpled card, future rising like scaffolds and stars, soft and stubborn in my chest. These are my silent shouts in urban forests, breathing through concrete, reaching for sky. All of their stories sewn into mine now. Peace in my heart while the sirens cry. Peace in my heart while the sirens cry. Peace in my heart while the sirens cry. I don't need a crown or chorus, just one steady step then another. Every alley, every echo sounds like sin.